As an educational representative for the Thompson School District in Loveland, Colorado, I visit over a dozen schools every week. This gives me a unique perspective as to the everyday trials and triumphs of the teachers in those schools. I'm Drew Holmes, owner of Boomer Music Company. Come with me as I show you the view from the road. Well, greetings and welcome to the view from the road. It is a windswept day out here. We're in Colorado, but it feels a lot more like Wyoming. Not a day I'm happy to be driving a high-profile vehicle like a van, but my goodness, it's tossing us around. But it's getting warmer, so I know I always talk about the weather, and that's always of concern when you're out here on the road. But man, it is just a windy day out here. So same stuff as usual kind of coming through here in the district. We have been talking about planning for instrument orders and for instrument repairs, and that stuff is coming up rapidly when we're going to be doing that. I know that instrument purchase money has been allocated, and now information needs to be in by the end of the week for teachers to submit for what they want. So if you haven't done that yet, get on that. And if you need help with that, drop me a line. I can certainly get you some quotes on stuff. I know that the official bids aren't going to happen until after that. But in terms of model numbers, specifications, things that you're looking for, because I know that stuff can be kind of daunting and overwhelming, and I'm really happy to help with that. So shoot me a line as to what it is that you're looking for, and I will get you that information. And then on the repair side of things, let's get the instruments in. I know we've started working on some of those in anticipation of this, but I also know that the repairs need to be done mid-June, and we can do that. We can meet that deadline, but we need to pick up those instruments now, and so I'm happy to do that either on my usual Tuesday run, or if I need to come in a different day, just let me know. I'll come get the instruments. And I think a lot of stuff has estimates done on them already, so make sure if you're looking at the invoices for stuff that we didn't do the work on yet, down in the comments it's going to have what those estimates were in terms of dollar figure and what's going to be done, and those should still be pretty good unless the instrument's been used in the interim, or if it's a really old estimate, but that should all still hold true on that. So get those instruments into us and we will do that. And then the other thing that has been going on, of course, are the tryout nights and the recruiting. And if we've got summer music or spring stuff starting, we can get those instruments now, not a problem. But also, if you've got families that are going to be needing and renting instruments, we can take reservations on that. Just go through to our website, boomermusiccompany.com, everything all spelled out. It looks wrong because there's two C's next to each other, and put it in. And if it needs to be delivered to the school, or if they want to come pick it up at the store, that's fine. There's spaces to do that. But yeah, have them go there and get their instrument rented and all set up, and we've got the accessories, the books, music stands, all that stuff as well. So we're happy to accommodate that, and we want to get the instruments in the hands of kids as quickly as possible, so that way they can start making music and start being excited about it. Oh, and then we also have, of course, our Absolute Beginner series up on the YouTube channel. So go to the Boomer Music Company YouTube channel and click under Absolute Beginners, and those are videos that we made last year that enhance the first couple of lessons. So if you're going to be starting with, here's your instrument inside of its case, here's how you open it, you take it out, assemble it, make a sound, all of that stuff is up there on the YouTube channel. So it's, as I always say, it's not meant to be a replacement for classroom instruction. That's what you guys do, but it is meant to be an enhancement for those first few lessons, because kids can get really overwhelmed and don't remember all the stuff that they need to. So check out the Boomer YouTube channel, because that's up there and that's some great stuff. So that is your view from the road. As always, like, share, and subscribe, and we will catch up with you next time. Thank you for riding along and seeing the view from the road. If you liked this video, please share it with a friend. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook, and you will never miss a new video. I'm Drew Holmes, owner of Boomer Music Company and educational representative for the Thompson School District in Loveland, Colorado. Thanks for watching.